Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Roshni, Department of Commerce from 3rd BCom General, KCS Kasi Nodar College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about the topic was human resource management. Now let me see about the meaning of human resource management. Human resource management in simple words stands for the managing the employees on organization. It is the process of putting the right people to the right task, thereby making maximum use of the employee's talent and ability to achieve the desired goals on objective. Next, the definition of human resource management. Human resource management is that part of the management process which is privately concerned with the human constituent of an organization. Management effectively describes the process of planning and directing the application, development, and utilization of human resources in employment. Role of human resources management: attracting candidate, selecting candidate, hiring from within and from outside, performance appraisal, compensation, employee benefit management, learning and development, promotions, problem solving groups, total quantity management, information sharing, organization development, survey management, compliance management, business partnering, data and analytic management, human resource technology management, change management. Next, human resource planning. It is a first step of human resource management. Human resource planning is a process through which the company makes an assessment of their present manpower, the number of people employed, number of posts vacant, whether there is an excess or shortage of staff, and prepares plan and policy to deal with them accordingly. It also estimates the future manpower requirement. It matches the supply and availability of manpower with the company purpose and makes the best person available for the job. Next, job analysis. An important task of human resource management is job analysis. It provides the basis for requirement, training, and development of staff. Every job is analyzed to identify the inherent requirement of the job. Next, job evaluation. It forms the basis of wages and salary determination. Different jobs are compared and evaluated to determine the relative importance of different jobs within the organization. The jobs are compared, graded, and ranked. Job evaluation determines how much pay to be affixed to the particular job on the basis of the importance in the organization functioning. This helps to determine a fair wage and salary and to determine a relational pay structure. Next, requirement and selection. The company, on the basis of human resource planning and job analysis, identifies the requirement of personnel and explores different internal and external sources from where manpower can be acquired. This process is called requirement. The right person is selected and put to work. Next, performance appraisal. It is a systematic method of evaluating the performance of employees. This helps to assess the efficiency, strength, and weakness of the employees. It is a controlling process whereby the employee's performance is matched with the standard level of performance and remedial measures taken in case actual performance doesn't meet the standard. Training and development. Human resource management has concern with the arrangement of training and development programming for the newly appointed staff as well as for existing employees. This helps to enhance the qualitative and quantitative performance of the workforce. Employee compensation. Human resource management performs a function of determining the pay structure for different employees on the basis of qualification, efficiency, experience, nature of the job. It also determines rewards and incentive to be paid for the contribution towards the organization. Employee motivation. Motivation of employee is essential for retention and sustenance of employees within the organization. Motivation plays an important role in management of personnel. It helps to improve productivity of personnel. There are different ways by which employees may be encouraged. Recognition and reward for performance, promotion, pay hike, and other monetary and non-monetary reward motivate the employees. Employee welfare. Human resource management focuses on the welfare of employees by providing canteen facilities, crèches, rest, lunchrooms, housing, transport, medical assistance, education, health, safety, and medical care, sickness, benefits, and recreation facilities. Industrial relation. Labor unrest, conflicts between the work groups and between workers and management. Over issues like low wage, bad work environment are common problems that must be handled carefully by establishing a balance between the workers' interest and the interest of the organization and management. Human resource management considers the establishment and maintenance of harmonious and coordinate relation between the employers and employees.